Welcome back to DroFlick. I've been putting off installing this throttle position sensor on my Ninja because you have to take off the fairings, lift the tank, and all of that. So today I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Okay, so I got it all back together, but I know that the check engine light is not going to be off because you have to write it out. Okay, this is after I put in the throttle position sensor, and initially when I just pulled off of my block, this thing just kind of just pulled up in the air, stuck in a second. Again, tires leaving the ground, so something's different. Oh yeah, it's a lot more responsive and has a lot more pull. That's how a sport bike is supposed to feel. Should have did that a long time ago. I've been like lagging on doing this throttle position sensor, but I'm glad I did today. Now I gotta write it out so the check engine light can turn off. I need to ride like 3 times at 40 km for 10 minutes, I think. Yeah! That front tire is just coming up. Up. I feel like it opens up a lot more. Braking is beautiful now. Engine braking seems like it's a lot better. I let go of the throttle and the engine is just like slowing the bike down instantaneously. This is crazy. I can't believe a TPS would do that much of a difference on top end speed and performance. I didn't think nothing was wrong with it before. Sounds way more aggressive too. Just hitting those gears like. Yeah, I would not be hitting 110 on little stretches like this at all. I'd always be hitting like 90s, like high 90s maybe. I never hit 110 like on this little stretch right here. And I was doing it, so if your TPS code light is on, go ahead and change that throttle position sensor, because that is hindering your performance for sure, even if you don't feel like it is. It's crazy how much it's doing it though. I mean, how much it's like affecting the performance, and how good it runs too. Just to check engine light is the only issue when the throttle position sensor is not working right on this bike, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching. That concludes this video on the throttle position sensor.